to... Welcome to Phonics Island. Let's have...
Hello everyone, I am Abby the monkey and this is my plane. Oh, ouch! Oh, my armadillo! The storm! I have no idea where I am. Do you see the island? We're saved! Fasten your seatbelt.
Can you trace this letter?
Turtle. Mouse.
Can you trace this letter?
Snake.
Trace this letter.
Nice work.
Wow, look at that beautiful rainbow. Oh no, there are letter-shaped holes. Can you drag the letters to their shades?
Apple. Mirror. Snail. Telephone. Tractor. Ambulance. Strawberry. Mirror. Tractor. Sunflower. Six. Ambulance. Monkey. Train. Seven. Map.
Great! The rainbow is complete again. Thank you for helping out. You patched all the holes in the rainbow.
Super! Pop the correct balloon. Mouse.
Awesome!
Turtle.
Great job!
Snake.
Incredible!
Ant.
You can do it! Bye-bye!
Can you complete another game? Oh no! The big tree monster broke the trap! Tap on the letters that make the sounds called to reach a bingo. That's it. Great. Cool. That was good. Bingo! Great job! You won the missing piece. Place it back to its place.
Nice job!
Pick the next game.